Hello, welcome to Ford's Cooking. Today, we are making one of the best Vietnamese dish of all time, Thit Kho, braised pork with eggs. Most common choice for meat is pork belly. You can also use pork ribs, but today I'm using pork loin, which is a lot less fatty than pork belly. It's on the leaner side, but I don't mind it. Okay, let's get started. Cut meat into large cubes. Place it into a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce to darken meat. Add chopped garlic. Use half and save half for later. Add ground pepper to your liking. Optional. Mix all ingredients together. Cover bowl. Allow marinating for 1 hour. Okay, as for the eggs, we'll need 8 eggs, 3 cups of water, bring it to a boil, let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Allow it to cool, then peel. On medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the other half of garlic. Stir it until it's kind of yellowish. Then add chopped pearl onions. Let it caramelize for about 2 minutes. Add marinated pork. Allow the pork to cook for a few minutes. Then add 3 cups of water or coconut water for better flavoring. Close lid, let it boil. Then scoop up all the yucky residue as much as you can. Now keep lid open. Let the pork cook on medium-low heat for an hour and a half. On another stove, let's caramelize the eggs, and for a nice brown color, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar on high heat. When the sugar is melted to a dark brown, add the eggs. Toss the eggs back and forth for an even color. An hour and a half later, add the eggs in, allow it to simmer for another 20 minutes. Lastly, this is optional. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of coconut milk for a creamier taste. Stir everything together lightly to prevent the eggs from breaking. Then continue to simmer for another 10 minutes. Okay, there we have it. Thịt Kho, my version. Enjoy!
Egg.
It's yummy?
I want this kind of egg.